Hello, friends. Welcome to this channel of Life of Happiness. Welcome back. For those who have not subscribed to a channel, please subscribe to a channel and press the bell icon. Today, we will be talking on the subject of how gratitude helps us to remain happy in our life. Now, before moving to it, let us understand what is the meaning of gratitude. When I say gratitude, it means a sense of thanks to a person or to someone who has done some good for us, who has done some favor for us. But does really saying thanks serve the purpose? To an extent, yes, we do feel that yes, somebody has done something good for me, so I should say thanks. Okay, but does really just saying thanks help us? The better thing would be that better than saying thanks, we should mean thanks. We should mean thanks from our heart. And better than meaning thanks, we should live thanks. And how do I live thanks? Living thanks means doing same good or a better good to someone else, so that the person who has done good for us, that goodness, that kindness, we are able to give it to somebody else and we try to improve somebody's life. That is called living thanks. Having said this, I have seen many people who are doing lot of charity, lot of good work, but then again, after doing that charity, after doing that good work, they write their names on the nameplates, they write their names on the billboards, and those are displayed all over the places. What I would like to say is, I am not saying that they are wrong or they are right, nothing like that. It's the way they want to do. What I would think is that when we are giving something to somebody, when we are trying to help somebody, we should be thankful to two things. One, to the person who has approached us for helping him. This means that that person is having a view that yes, we are capable enough to help him out. That is one. And secondly, we should be thankful to God, because God has given us that capability, that capacity to help somebody. So when we are humble, when we are thankful to the person who has given us an opportunity to help him, as well as when we are thankful to the Almighty, that is real happiness, that is real gratitude. I would like to tell you a small story about how we should be thankful and what it actually means. One day, now this story is from Mahabharata. One day, Arjuna asked Krishna that Krishna, I am a very good archer, I am a prince, and I am also equally good as Karna. Yet everybody in this world, including you, always praise Karna for his charity, for his good deeds, and nobody praises me. Why is that so? Krishna said, see, I can give you this answer right away, but let me show you this answer. So Krishna and Arjuna, they went to a village where there was a hill. Krishna touched the mountain over there, the hill over there, and it became into gold. Then Krishna told Arjun that please call all the villagers and distribute this mountain, this golden mountain, to everybody by evening. Arjuna said, yes, I can definitely donate this mountain. Yes, why not? He called all the villagers and he started lifting up big stones from the golden stones from the mountain and started giving to the villagers. The villagers were very thankful, they were very happy, they started hailing the name of Arjuna. Arjuna also felt very nice, giving all the gold, distributing all the gold to the villagers, and by evening entire mountain was distributed. Then Krishna told him, okay, now let's go to Karna and let's see what he does. The next morning, Krishna and Arjuna, they went to Karna. Again, Krishna touched one mountain and he converted it into gold. And this time he told Karna to distribute this entire mountain into villages. Karna said, yes, by your orders, definitely I will distribute. He called all the villagers and he said, Lord Krishna has given me this opportunity to be a medium by which this gold should come to you. Here is a golden mountain. Please help yourself and take as much gold as you can and as you wish. Saying so, he just walked away from that place. Seeing this, Krishna told Arjun, see, this is the reason why everybody in this world, including me, we call Karna as a better person, a person who does more charity compared to you. In this example, we see that how Karna did not get himself attached to the feeling that yes, I am doing something for somebody. Rather, he thanked Krishna and told the villagers that Krishna has given him the opportunity to be a medium to help the villagers. So whenever we are helping out to somebody, please bear in mind, it is not you who is doing it. It is the God who has given you that much facility, that much strength, that much money to help others and bring about a change in somebody's life. Try to remain humble, and in this humbleness you will find happiness. If we inculcate a feeling that yes, I am doing something good for somebody, and because of me, because of my doing, the other person is getting benefited. This is a sort of a trade wherein you are trying to buy your ego by giving charity. This is not real happiness. This is not real gratitude, and this will not help you to remain happy. To be a real happy person, to be a real modest person, try to see that the person who has approached you, don't try to look down upon him. Try to see that as if he has given you an opportunity to help him out. He is considering you better than him in position, in status, so that you can help him out. And always thank God that yes, he has given you that much strength, that much facility, so that you can make this world a better place to live in. Thank you so much for today. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel, Life of Happiness. See you soon next time. Bye bye for now.